Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about how to upload your videos the right way on YouTube. So if you've been uploading your videos like this, from this plus sign, you just click on this plus sign here, you are going about it the wrong way. So I'm going to be showing you how to upload videos the right way. So don't upload videos from here, but instead, if you want to upload your videos, go to your Google Chrome and upload videos there, because there are a lot of other meta descriptions that you don't have access to here. So it's going to limit your views. If you're uploading videos from here, your video will not reach the number of audience that is supposed to reach out to. So I'm going to be showing you quickly how to upload your videos the right way. But before we proceed, if you're not following my channel, please follow my channel, like and subscribe and share this video so you can also get to other YouTubers out there. There are a lot of many YouTubers who are trying to grow their channel, and this could be the challenge they are having. So please share this video so you can reach someone else out there who is having the same issue as you are. And thank you so much for doing that. So now that you have subscribed and you've liked this video, let's proceed to how we can actually upload our videos the right way. So what you need to do is to go over to your Google Chrome, like I earlier said, and log in your YouTube account on Google Chrome. So let's quickly go to our Google Chrome and log in our YouTube account. So log in your YouTube dashboard. As you can see, enter your YouTube dashboard. So when you log into your YouTube, so it's still loading, it's still loading. Just hold on. Yes, so it has loaded right now. So when you log into your YouTube dashboard, you can zoom it if you're not seeing the screen very well. You can always zoom. Pinch to zoom in and out. Do you understand? So are you seeing this point that they wrote create here? So this point where they wrote create, that's where you should upload your videos from. Don't upload your videos on that plus sign that you're seeing on YouTube app there. Don't use your YouTube app to upload your videos. Use your YouTube Studio on Google Chrome to upload your videos. Now let me show you the reason why you have to use this. When you tap on create, click on upload videos. Upload videos. So it's asking you to select the files. So you can now select any file that you want to upload. Are you seeing it now? So I want to upload this file, for instance. So now that I'm uploading the file, you see where to enter your title, your description right here. Select your thumbnail that you want to, your playlist. So the options that you not see on the YouTube app are options like this. When you click on this show more, you see many more options that you are not getting. Are you seeing? So options like this, you not see them. And there's a very, very important option like this tag. What is this tag? This tag is, for instance, there are people that will misspell the title of your video. So if people misspell, for instance, somebody wants to spell how to create YouTube videos, and the person now wrote how to create YouTube shorts. So you can also add tags. That means you can give your video different titles that people might probably search for. So this is where you put it, this tag. Do you understand? So you can also select the language. And also, another important thing that you not see is the category of your video. So you can select your category from here. So imagine in my YouTube application, I was not given option to select the category, but yeah, I can choose what kind of video this video is about. So YouTube will know exactly what audience they are giving your videos to. Do you understand? So that's one of the most important thing that you cannot get on your normal YouTube this thing. So once you just fill all that you need to fill in, and you see option to go to the next section. So you just go to next. When you are done, click on next, and then they will check whether your video is violating copyright, and they will tell you, so you don't have issues with copyright later. But you not see that in your YouTube app. You can only see whether they have checked your video. See, are you seeing under here now? They are telling me that there's no issue with my video, so my video is ready to be uploaded. That means I can upload my video without being scared of copyright issues later. which is a very, very important factor for every YouTuber, because they can actually shut down your YouTube if your video is violating copyright issues. So they can shut down your YouTube, close your YouTube forever. And the worst thing is that you can't create an account again. So it's very essential that you use your YouTube mobile on Chrome. Sorry, your YouTube on Chrome, YouTube Studio on Chrome, to upload your videos. And also, you select the audience visibility of your video easily. Do you understand? So you can select a whole lot of meta description, when you're using this. So please always ensure that you upload your videos this way to get more views. Please, if this video really helped you and opened your eyes to some things about posting on YouTube, please do like and follow and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video, comment on this video, so this video can reach out to a lot of other people. Let's help ourselves to grow. Thank you so much for watching.